Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib.
Used to love listening to that back in me winning days, and they will come back. You should see what I'm doing. I can't really spin this round, but I'm building the trading commandments and I'm putting some rules up, and it's all feeling pretty fucking great. And I should have done it a long time ago. Fuck it, I'll show you guys. The rule number 1: don't drink and trade. So this is a very cool Mark Crook webinar, part of the Tim Sykes challenge, and what I want you to do is wait till the end of the Mark Crook clip. Guess whether you think the next day it's going to be a short, a long, or a no play. Comment below what you thought it was, and then I'll actually show you what happened. It's like a fun game. Watch and learn. This is Mark Crook talking about a classic kind of overextended short. We've also got the multi-day breakout here. But he talks about how you can read the volume and how you can kind of guess when what would be a long, the break of 3, becomes a good short, maybe around the 420s, 430s, 440s. Let's see what he's got to say.
All right, so CVM is a multi-day breakout. This is probably a fairly heavily, or probably a shorted play that I don't believe there was news today on CVM. But this is a biotech play. They're doing a phase 3 trial, so there could be a catalyst there. It's only a $94 million company, so that's on Yahoo Finance. Shares outstanding 25 million. So this is a potential short. Ideally, it goes higher, but it is up quite a bit from the lows of 90 cents. And when you start to see volume really pick up like this, that means it's squeezing these stubborn shorts, and it certainly was a nice breakout play in the low 3s this morning. Tough to buy it, once it's gone parabolic like that, and now it looks like it's just really failing to bounce a whole lot off of that initial early morning run into the mid-morning. And Sykes actually tried buying it, buying it in the 380 area, and then he added some in the 370 or 350s, I believe. And it did actually get back to 390. So, but high 3s resistance is really what's going, the main area to watch.
And when you see, like, if you look at this 210,000 volume candle and it tops out in the 440s, you can generally sometimes suspect when it's this overextended that should be the end of the move. So when it's spiking when it's came all the way back down, and this is a classic squeeze, it's not a bad short to short in the 420s, 430s, risk in the 440s, and that's 10 or 20 cents with potential $3 downside. Now, what I like to do with you guys is, this was Thursday's webinar, let's see if that plan would have happened, would have worked. And here's the daily of CVM, and I mean, it's a typical nice short because you have this big run, crash, and then the big run, then crash, then the big run, then crash, and then the big run, then crash. So obviously it's got a big run, it's squeezing the last of the shorts. And we were looking at that 440 level, which Mark Crook was looking at that day. It's since come down. But what you are really looking for is, say, maybe it opens in the 320s, pushes to about the 420s, you start shorting and it comes back. That was the short. The way it grinds up here, it looks like it could break the 440s even. You don't want a steady grind. You want a big spike and fail. So the play just never happened. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. And in times of despair, don't always lay in that despair. Generally, if you're working hard and you're doing the right thing and you're looking after your body, whether it's fitness, looking for a girlfriend, trading stocks, working hard in a job, generally, unless your boss is a fucking asshole and it's a dead-end job, life will turn out good if you've got the right mindset, the right personality, and you keep on being persistent and trying. And they might not all happen at once. Some things might go up, some things might go down. For me, I've experienced a lot of ups and downs in personal life, relationship life, work life, trading life, and for example, now trading's a bit of a down. But there's other things that are happening which are ups. And if you do the right thing consistently for long enough, it will all fall into place and everything gets better. It's just these 4 little fucking paradigms of your life that go up and down in different areas. But as long as you stay true to your fucking self and work hard and do a good job and be a nice person, they will all rise together.
You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids.